brands. Let's start. So, right here you'll see this zipper, and we have to peel it off. Are you ready, friends? So you'll see this little thing. You have to peel it off, just like that. So there will be this wrapper you have to take out. I'm so excited! Wow! Okay, let's open them. Ooh, what do we have here? A guide! We got this, like, it's a sauce, I guess. And I just love that they added all the details. I've been wondering how they added these details. I'm like, OMG. Okay, let's open the next one. Here we have it. Yay, we got something to build. It will come with these pieces to build. And we have these little mini brand stickers. That's so cute. You'll also get a guide of how to build it. And ooh, we got a shopping cart, huh? Okay, I'll build this later, friends. Nah. So we already opened 2 of these ingredients. We have 3 left. Okay, let's open this one now. What do we have? Let's see. We have stovetop chicken. I don't really eat chicken, but it's so cute. Look at that. It basically tells you the recipe, like it's written on the real food items. The mini brand. What do we have here? Let's find that. Where is it? I don't think oh wait. I can see the chicken right here. Okay, let's see on the back side if we can see this little mini brand. Oh, it's right here. Look. It's matching. Oh, where's this one? Let's see. Can you guys see it? It's right here. Okay, now let's open our last one. Open. What's this? Paprika? Oh, this is red chili. Let's see if we can find this. It might be here somewhere. Oh, wait, it's right here. I didn't spot it. And we got this cart. Okay, let's try to build this cart.